Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the hardware reserve memory. If you have the 8 GB of RAM and you are seeing here the memory which is the hardware reserve 4 GB or the 5 GB, so how you can fix it. If you have the 16 GB of RAM and you have the 5 GB or 6 GB reserved hardware reserved memory, then how you can fix this problem. So guys, fixing this problem is way more simpler than you think. If you go to the YouTube and try to search for these fixes, and you will find a lot of videos talking about how to fix this problem. But guys, I will recommend please don't try all of the solution these guys are fixing on the video, because these are not the fixes and this will not fix your problem. And in this video, I will show you how you can fix this problem, exactly what you need to do to fix this problem. So guys, first you have to open up your computer and just take out the first RAM from your first slot and just put in into the second slot. And the second RAM you can just take out and just put in the second RAM into the third slot. So guys, by doing this, your problem is fixed. And this is only the one solution that you need to apply to fix this problem, and there is no another solution to fix this problem. I searched for the lot of videos and see lot of video to fix this problem, but none of them work. But this work for you, so you can just do that. And I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So please like it, because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.